Today we're going to show you how to take off your rear view mirror on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. First thing you do is pull it down like this, and then the tool you'll need for this is a hex wrench. Okay, this is an 1/8 inch. When you pull it down like this, there's a hole up here. Put your wrench in there and then press down. And it pops right off. And then we'll get our new mirror, and your new mirror will just slide right on. So this is our old one we took off. We actually had this in our parts department because we have a lot of Mustangs here. But we'll put a link in the description for you to order a brand new one. So when you get yours, it's just a regular, just slide it on, wiggle it on like that. There you go. And that's it. And that's how you change out your rear view mirror on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.